In life, we have certain bad habits or certain, you can say, bad tradition or bad customs. About them, we also don't know why we have them, who made them, and why are we continuing with them despite knowing that they are doing more harm than the benefits. Talking about pharma industry, one such bad habits or bad tradition is that setting aspirational target and of course not doing them. It's not the case we are setting aspirational target doing them, but we almost know right from the beginning that we are not going to do this target. Despite that, we take that kind of target or we set that kind of target. For example, suppose a division who is doing say 80 crore business and industry is growing something to 10 to 12%. Still we take almost 35-40% of growth target. Why? We don't know. What is making us to think that we will grow by 35-40% or 50%? We don't know, but still we take it. Or think of a person, whether it's a medical rep or area manager, who is doing say 2 lakh rupees productivity, and we're giving them a target of 2.75 lakhs or 3 lakhs, maybe something like 40 to 50% growth. Why? We don't know. And that is happening multiple companies. We probably understand that we should take aspirational target, as it is good to take aspirational target. How it is good, we are not sure. Probably long back we read in some books that we should aim high, and when we aim high, there is a more than 50% chance that we will reach there. See, sometimes something is said in some context which always does not come true. Suppose think about a long jumper in the sports, or think about athletes running in some race. This kind of thinking certainly help if they think that they will able to complete the race in so and so second, or they will able to jump so and so meters. Probably 50%, 40% chances are there they will able to do that. But when you are leading a team of the people, then there is a responsibility of representing them. It's not about me. It's about thinking about the people. It's about thinking about those people to whom we are representing. So taking aspirational target, we may please the top management or the promoters, but it harm lot to the team and erode our own credibility also. Some of the very bad effect it put on the team, I'll just name the 5 of them. One is that when you are taking a target and not doing it, it set in the job insecurity in them, because you're not doing target, which leads to demotivation, which leads to kind of increased attrition. Secondly, by not doing target, obviously people will not be earning incentive, which again leads to demotivation as well as the attrition of the people. Thirdly, if you're not doing target, you're unlikely or the less chance of getting any kind of promotions, which again you may be thinking you may be deserving also, again lead to demotivation or attrition. And at the same time, company may bring somebody from outside who is doing less growth in other company. Fourthly, we don't get the deserving appreciation or can say deserving increment. Again, this lead to demotivation and even attrition of the people. Again, company may bring in somebody from outside, giving them better salaries, but internal people who may be growing by 35-40% still may not be doing target. Why? Because target is like this. And fifthly, which is very bad, is that the people who are not doing the target, it set us in a situation of kind of self-doubt, and in their mind this creates a bad image about the company they're working for, because they think like, this company are working so hard, I'm giving this much of growth, and in spite of that, because my targets are like this, I'm not able to do target. So we need to think that we are not in athletics, we are not in any individual games like long jump, or we are not performing or working individual also. So it's good to think big. In fact, one should try also. But when we represent people, when we represent team, outcome is based on the certain process, not on my individual action, not simply by efforts. So let us take a realistic target or realistic plan. So I must say that we must not take target or like this, and we must not forget the basic principle of the leadership, which says that leadership is all about representing people. So it's not about yourself or me or anybody, it's about representing people. So think about them before taking such kind of target. I hope senior leadership or the top management will be thinking about it, and hope we will have better decisions in this future.